Magic cooking sauce. Marinate your meat, seafood, anything, and cook with anything you want. It's delicious. Save your time in your kitchen when you got this magic cooking sauce. Save your time and just only one, everything in one in here. Just take and cook, and that's it. You're gonna love to cook when you have everything like this. You will love to cook. If you get my magic cooking sauce, you will love to cook because can't go no wrong. It's delicious. Vegetable, who eat vegetarian or you eat meat, seafood, stir fry the noodle, fried rice, everything in one. That's why I give the name magic cooking sauce. Save your time in the kitchen. Thank you.